In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online without investing any of your money. This is a completely free method and lots of people are doing it and they are making hundreds of dollars every single day. I'm going to walk you through this step-by-step method, how you can do it for free and you can make money online. And if we watch the video until the end, I'm going to show you how you can get clicks like this one, a referral like this one, and a customers, and you're going to make a recurring commission every single day. I'm going to walk you through step-by-step method, so watch the video until the end. Before that, if you are new to my channels, you know the drill. Subscribe, like these videos, and leave a comment what kind of video you want to watch in the future. Straight away, I'm going to show you a free traffic method, which is a Pinterest. But take a look at this channel or Pinterest account, a rich club. This person upload these videos from TikTok and promoting a finance related contents. Basically what they do is they download the videos, give the credit to the creators, and they post these videos on Pinterest. And look at this, they're getting around 500,000 monthly views for this account. They didn't put any work at all. They are copy and paste someone else's work and they are getting monthly views. Now, one thing happened is if they started to promote their product on their own website or affiliate product, they can put the link on here or each videos and they can try to traffic to certain offers and you make money from it. This is how they make money from it, and thus this is how you can make money from it. First, I'm going to show you a special product that you want to promote. In this case, I want to promote a Javas, which is an AI that you can write. You can use that AI to write blog posts, articles, and you can write, generate YouTube scripts, YouTube title, description, lots of things you can do with that AI tools. Now, what you can do, you're going to join an affiliate program with it. I already joined it, and I can make a 30% recurring commission every single month from each customers. Now, after you did that, all you have to do is you need to create the content in order to promote it. How you can do that? First thing is go to TikTok on the search bar, put the product that you want to promote. In this case, Javas AI, and you can see these are the creators making content around that product. All you have to do is click open any of those videos, and this is the videos. Copy that URLs, and now what you do, go to this website. It's called clickmate.online, where you can download this video without a watermark. Now, after you download the videos, what you have to do, go to Pinterest. Don't use your own personal account with it, because if any creators reported at Pinterest, your account will be banned or terminated. To avoid that, what you do, if you already have a Pinterest account, click this drop down menu and click add account. On that, you're going to create a new account with it, and you're going to create a new account with it. All right, so if you have a new email address, use that to create a new account with it. I'm going to skip this process. I'm going to show you the end result, guys. After you put your email address and click next, you need to fill this information. That's it, that your new account is ready. What you do after you created a Pinterest account with it, click account setting on here. On here, what you have to do, you have to change the account type into business. So convert that into business. So it will give more tools that you can use to grow your Pinterest account with it. So this is personal account and you need to convert that into business. It's completely free, so upgrade that into business. You can put any name that you want, so you can put like anything that you want here. So I'm going to put my name on here. I don't have any website, and select the country and language and click next. And which is your focused, I'm focused on education. It's about content writer, so I'm gonna put that. What is your goal? My goal is to divert traffic to my site, generate more sales, and sell more product. Click next on it, and this can be a business. At the moment, I not have any website or anything, so I'm gonna click I'm not sure, and I'm gonna click next. Would you ever be interested in running ads on it? Yes, maybe in the future. I'm gonna click next, and do that. Grow your audience, I'm going to select this one. Where would you like to start? I'm going to click grow your audience on here, and that's it, guys. Your Pinterest account is fully settled now. So what you do, click this add button at the video that you download from TikTok, and you're going to put the title and AI will write everything for you under 5 minutes, something like that. Give any catchy titles and gonna copy and paste it on here. And again, on the tags, you can select finance, or you can say finance or planning, finance, something like that, because there's some categories not available. So still you can go with similar one, like you can go with affiliate marketing is a category on that, like affiliate marketing, and you can select business, something like that, right? Small business. Also on that description, you can give hashtag like AI or Javas AI, and don't forget to give a credit to this creator. So you're going to put credit and go back to TikTok where your video is downloaded, copy that. This is the creator name on it on TikTok. So you're going to copy that, come back to Pinterest, put the @ sign, and you're going to put the bracket is TikTok, right? On the destination link, go back to your affiliate program, in this case Javas AI, copy that affiliate link, and you're going to copy and paste it on here and publish immediately. Select that board. If you have a board already, you can select it. If not, you can create a new board on it. After that, what you do, you need to publish that. That's it. Your pin is created on here. People can watch that video, click that link. It will automatically take them into Javas AI. They sign up and I make money from it. This is how you can do affiliate marketing for free with Pinterest without investing any money. All you have to do is get the videos from this creator, give them a credit where you get the videos from, and you're going to put your affiliate link inside it. Again, create an entire new Pinterest account with it to avoid getting blocked. If you use your personal account with hundreds of followers and you already have different businesses running on your Pinterest account, don't use that. You can create unlimited Pinterest account, create one for one specific product and promote it. And now you can see at the moment you have a created pin. You can add pictures and videos. There is no idea pin, which is similar to YouTube Shorts, but it will be available when you started to post on Pinterest. Also, what you can do, you can click promote on Pinterest, spend a little bit more money on your own. Say for example $2 to $3 per day, you can promote that pin to lots of other people. But before that, what you can do is post unlimited content every single day. It's like 5 to 10 posts per day from TikTok into Pinterest, and you can generate you can see over 500,000 views for free from Pinterest, and you can target a specific audience and you can make money from it. I hope you understand this method. You can use TikTok and Pinterest to promote any affiliate offers and you can make money from it. Already the creators created the content. All you have to do is download and upload it on Pinterest and give them a credit. That's the important part, and you can make money for free. If you want to learn more about this way to make money online, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave a comment. I want to learn more. I will make lots of other video similar to this one, guys. And have a good day. See you next video, guys.